Hello everyone, welcome to Nutri-instinct. I am Ketki, a health coach and healthy cooking enthusiast. Today's recipe is a protein-rich complete dish. It is a fusion of Italian pasta and Gujarati dal dokli. To start with, we will get the dals ready to pressure cook. Dals are split pulses that do not require soaking, but it is a good idea to wash them thoroughly before cooking. After washing, I am going to add 1 to 2 cups of hot water. Then I am going to pressure cook the dals for at least 12 minutes at medium pressure in the instant pot. If you are going to use conventional pressure cooker, you may cook it till the cooker blows 3 whistles. Now let's get the vegetables ready. Here I have used cauliflower, carrots, edamame and onions. But you may add or replace any of these with other vegetables like broccoli, peas, zucchini or any vegetable of your choice. Now we will take one thick bottom pot for seasoning. Put it on a slow flame and add half tablespoon of coconut oil or ghee. Along with several health benefits, Fenugreek, which is also called methi dana, gives one authentic flavor of dal dokli to this dish. Be watchful while getting the seasoning ready. We do not want the oil to burn and reach the smoke point. So keep everything handy. As soon as the seasoning is ready, add all the vegetables. Till the vegetables are sizzling, let's get our dal ready. Before adding the dal mix to the vegetable, we will just blend it with hand blender to make one creamy consistent texture. Now add the dal to our vegetable mix and stir it very well. At this point, we will spice up the dal and vegetable mix. After adding all the spices, mix them very well with the dal and vegetables. This dish can be served as soup or pasta depending on how thick or thin you keep the consistency of the dal. So if you want to serve it as a soup, you can increase the water quantity. Here I have used high protein chickpeas pasta. Protein content of your dish will differ according to the pasta you choose to use in your dish. After adding pasta to dal mixer, cover the lid and let the vegetable and pasta cook on slow flame for at least 5 to 7 minutes. When your pastas are cooked properly, add lime juice and sugar to conclude the cooking. Here you go, your vegetable dal pasta is ready. Serve hot, garnished with finely chopped onions and finely chopped cilantro. Enjoy!